At Ballarat Hot Water Service, we provide a full plumbing service. Yes, we specialise in hot water systems, but we also do plumbing repairs, subdivision work, roofing and renovation work. If you do need plumbing work, we can help you here in Ballarat and surrounding areas. Call me Wayne Castleman. I look forward to helping you.